morning, class. Before we start, let's begin our day with a short prayer. Please stand up and bow your head. Okay, good morning ulit everyone. Before you sit down, kindly fix your chairs and make sure our area is clean. Thank you. Class Secretary, sino ang absent today? Okay, nice. Mukhang kompleto naman tayo ngayon. Very good kayo ah. So, class, let's go to our topic. When you hear the word traditional dance, ano agad na pumapasok sa isip ninyo? Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Festival dance. Good answer. How about you, ma'am? Very good. Yung sayaw, tungkol sa culture at tradition ng mga Pilipino. Tama. Traditional and festival dances show who we are as Filipinos. They express our beliefs, celebrations, and culture. Yan. So, before we start our topic, let's have a short activity. I have here a chart showing picture of a different festival in the Philippines. All you have to do is match the picture with its place of origin and purpose. Gets ba? Okay. Sino ang gustong mauna? Very good. You got it right. That's the Ati-Atihan Festival from Aklan. Okay, our topic for today is all about Sinulog Festival. The Sinulog Festival is a famous celebration in Cebu City every January in honor of Santo Niño, the child of Jesus. The word Sinulog came from the Cebuano word sulog, meaning current of water. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, parang agos ng tubig ang mga galaw ng sayaw, this festival shows a mix of indigenous, Christian, and Filipino traditions. Kaya colorful at masaya siyang panoorin. Last, let's move around. Please stand up and find some space. Magpainit tayo ng konti. The Sinulog Festival has 5 basic steps. Let's learn them one by one. Number 1, natural step. 1 step forward, 1 step backward. Ready? Go. Forward, back, good. Yan. Very easy, di ba? Okay, proceed naman tayo sa step number 2. Kinampihan. Dito, step forward right, step backward right. Habang yung left foot steady lang. Okay, go. Try natin. Right forward, right back. Yan. Okay, so next naman tayo sa side step. Dalawang close steps sidewards, right, left, right, left. Nice. Parang basic dance step lang. So, next naman tayo sa Sinulog turn. Ito yung turning movement. Spotting sa right and left foot habang umiikot. Yan, ganyan. Tama nga. So, proceed naman na tayo sa last, sa grapevine. Alternate crossing sa harap at likod. Cross front, side, back, side. Yan, nice. Good job. Okay, class. Now, let's put it all together with music. Ready? Let's dance the Sinulog. Okay, class. Very good. Ang saya, di ba? This is the spirit of the Sinulog, full of joy and faith. Now, I'll group you into 4. Each group will practice the 5 basic steps. After practicing, you roll the dice. The number that comes out will tell you how many steps you'll perform in front. Okay, you have 5 minutes to practice. Time starts now. Okay, time's up. Group 1, you're the first. Wow, galing. Okay, group 2, your turn now. Okay, great teamwork. Okay, so all groups did amazing. So, very good, class. Okay, class, quick recall tayo. What are the 5 steps of the Sinulog Festival? Yes, sir. Oh, yes. Natural step, kinampihan, sidestep, sinulog turn, and grapevine. Correct. Yan. Very good, class. Give yourselves 3 big claps, okay? Ready to count? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, class. Before we end, let's have a short quiz. Get 1/4 sheet of paper. Ang test 1 natin is identify the 5 basic steps of Sinulog Festival. And ang test 2 natin is true or false. Okay, class. Pass your papers to the center. Very good. Alright, class. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Remember, festival dance like Sinulog are more than just steps. They represent our faith, unity, and the Filipino pride. So that's all for today. Thank you for participating today. See you to the next meeting. Goodbye, everyone.